entire rack with the ramekins and put it directly in the oven. So if you're making egg bakes, you're making chicken pot pies, you're making anything individual, you now can do that. But remember, as great as it is with hot, it's great with cold. So I did a condiment bar where I have my ketchup and my mustard and my relish, and I can literally take this and put this right down on the family table. Remember, it comes with snap-on storage covers as well, so you can prep ahead of time, put it in your fridge, in your freezer. They go in the microwave, they're oven safe up to 500 degrees, and I even made a little individual dessert, my no-bake Rami cheesecake. Just gonna pipe it with a little whipped cream, add a beautiful orange slice. Oh, and you better believe I'm gonna eat this.
Respect. You know what? This is the first time that this little set has been showcased in a Temp-tations show. So I wanted to give you a close look because this could be maybe 6 mug cakes at once. This could be your dinner night for dips. How about taco night and beyond? This is a 7-piece garden-to-table ramekins with a wire set. Each one is 6 ounces in size. You get a little snap-on lid to go along with it, but this wire holder is also oven safe. So if you wanted to tuck the whole thing into the oven, you absolutely could, but that's what we love about our stoneware from Temp-tations is the versatility. Now, the color choices, Tara, I do have showcased down in front, and so I want to make sure that everybody gets a chance to see. These are in Old World and Floral Lace, so our 2 most popular patterns from Temp-tations. So first, Floral Lace.
And I love what you were saying.
No,
Sorry,
go ahead. No, go ahead.
I got excited. No, I just love what you were saying about it's the first time we've ever done a rack that could actually go right in the oven. So all of these will tuck right inside there, and we'll show you a couple of different things there.
I'm so excited. Okay, we have floral lace in green, floral lace in the blue. Then we have floral lace in that beautiful light blue. Next is black. Eggplant is at the very end. Now diving down in front at the very end of the table, we have Old World, confetti, black, eggplant, blue, green, and then we have the red here at the very end. It's 3 easy payments of $12.24. By the way, you can join the watch party with Lisa on Facebook during this show. So feel free to go there. Tell us what you're thinking. Tell us what you see. Tell us what you like. But Tara, tell us about the versatility of these because I do believe I'm going to the oven.
You are going to the oven, and here's what I love. So if you've picked up our Dip Hooray, 6 great dips that are amazing. We actually did each one of these dips in our 6-ounce ramekins. So what I love about these are individual portions. What you're seeing here, individual ways to have your apps, to do your desserts. Look how beautiful, bubbling hot, our Dip Hooray right there in front of it. So perfect to pick up both. And now you can make 6 hot dips at the same time. If you wanted to put them in the fridge and the freezer, you could do that too. So of course you could have 6 ice cream sundaes, which we happen to have, and I'll show you in a moment. Or you can do 6 individual soups if you wanted to. I love that we baked individual breads. You know that great restaurant we love so much, Mary, right? The one that we go to with the great outside. Those Popham breads that we absolutely love, and it has the lavender butter always. This was the inspiration behind these pieces to actually be able to create that kind of popover bread, but then also the versatility of so much more. The fact that the wire basket goes right in the oven. Look at how beautiful you are literally pulling these right out. We didn't do it ahead of time. That's actually got pepperoni stuffed inside there. That's like actually like one of those pepperoni breads. So again, different things that you want to do. And I think as you were mentioning, we're home more, we're cooking more, baking more. Look what we did with the flowers in front. Think about this as an herb garden also. That's been one of the biggest requests we've been asked for. We want to keep something in our windowsill. We want to be able to grow our herbs in it. We want to have little plants around. This is the perfect way to do this. I'm telling you, this set is so great. Once you get it home, you have all the lids too, the versatility. You will use this for something every single day.
You know, stoneware is not only going to be able to assist keeping your hot foods hot, but it's also going to assist in keeping your cold foods cold. But stoneware lasts the test of time. So 3 easy payments of $12.24 means that this is great for gifting. This is great for keeping for yourself. But, ooh, Tara, what'd you just get out of the fridge?
You know, Lisa was busy at work. She's now part of our food styling team right here. at home. So we actually did little ice cream sundaes where you can then, of course, put your little, I don't know if you call them sprinkles or jimmies, but I call them sprinkles. But this is the fun. This is what we love about it. We actually used some of our dessert mixes inside here. And look at this, ice cream sundaes that everybody can help themselves, 6 ounces, perfect capacity. So whether it's hot, whether it's cold, and then the best part, everything's organized in this great little rack. So you bring it right out to the table. Think about ketchup, mustard, pickles, relish, all the condiments that you're going to want when you're in your backyard. What do you call it? Puerto Backyarda?
So, yeah, Puerto
Did I just
Backyarda.
butcher that?
So, no, not at all. We have Floral Lace and we have Old World. So I will go through quickly. We've got Eggplant Black, Light Blue, and the green. Forward, we have Old World Red, Green, Blue, Eggplant, Black, and then at the very end, we have Confetti. So those are the choices available in K50067. And it's the first day presented in a Temptation show. 3 easy payments of $12.24. But the Dip Parade